Please pause now to read the following. Hello! Today we'll demonstrate how to install the smart wall dimmer in your home. Let's get started. Make sure you have a screwdriver, wire stripper, voltage tester, and electrical tape. Safety first! Before you begin, always remember to turn off any current to the light switch at the circuit breaker. Next, to remove the old light switch, unscrew the switch plate cover. Use a voltage tester to confirm there is no current being routed to the switch. Then, it's time to identify the wires. Usually, there are 3 wires: live, neutral, and ground. The colors on screen correspond to the ones we have, but your wires may be different colors. Be sure each labeled wire is connected to its corresponding wire in the wall: live to live, neutral to neutral, and ground to ground. Now, carefully tuck the connected wires securely into the electrical box, making sure nothing is exposed. Secure the smart wall dimmer by screwing it into place. Don't forget the plastic plate. Turn the breaker on, and it's time to test your new Finesse Decor smart dimmer. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions about this dimmer, visit finessedecor.com/smartdimmer or watch our other help videos.